pulled off Sterling Highway to hike the Russian Lakes, Russian River Trail. And we also upgraded our shoes. He got some nice waterproof. Here we go. Falling of the leaves. We are here at Russian Lake. It is a great hike, very easy. I highly recommend it if you are driving down the Sterling Highway, either east or west. Super easy trail, not really a high elevation. Right over there is a beaver dam.
Yes.
Very grateful that we're on this side, but I'm not sure how quickly, if he wanted to cross, how quickly he could cross. That's a big old bear. Well, first bear encounter. Didn't expect it to be a brown bear. Yeah, very cool. And again, very grateful that it was on the other side. Where did we go?
To the lake.
After a long day of hiking at the Russian Lakes, I highly recommend stopping at Kingfisher Roadhouse. Great food, awesome atmosphere. They've got a variety of things on their menu. I had the sockeye burger and Garrett had the halibut sandwich. It was both really good. Most importantly, they've got an incredible view of the lake and really good atmosphere, nice waiters. They don't have a lot of beer on draft, but they've got a ton of bottled. But all in all, great stop after a long hike. We're going to Seward, 5 miles. We got our handy dandy mile book. The milepost is what it's called. Whatever highway you're on, you look it up, and mile by mile it tells you what's there to see. It's pretty cool. BIA pond. It's called the Butts in Air Pond. BBIA pond. Bird butts in air. Camper Garrett here, eating his breakfast and looking at a map. He's eating some Alaskan smoked salmon on bagel and homemade fresh blueberry jam from a Alaskan. Well, what do you know? We're out here hiking again. Today we are in the Kahua forest. We are hiking up to Tatsuya Lake. Ptarmigan Lake. So about 7 miles round trip.
Tracking the moose.
Up north. Moose. they left the trail for the day, they looked back on their adventures and were sad that no moose were spotted, but grateful for the beautiful lake view and the rushing river beside the trail. See, I told you. Kagugak. Chugash, not Kagugak. Traffic. Cheers, babe. Nothing like a nice cold beer on the end of a long hike. We're going on our most difficult hike today, and it's raining outside, so we'll see. If it gets hard, we'll just turn around. We are hiking up about 4 miles to the glacier fields. It's 30,000 elevation?
30,000?
No, that can't be right. 3,000. Here's the glacier. Here we go. My legs are burning. I don't think we're even halfway yet. Just keep going up. Beautiful. We gotta go way up to the top. You can hear it cracking. Not smoke, clouds. We're in the clouds. There's the glacier. It's not raining, which is amazing. I'm delirious. We made it to the car. We can't feel our bodies. When you go up a mountain, you turn into a mountain man, cave woman. I was up there for 30 days.
That's a pile of crap.
Alright, so we're here at the pit, and this place is open till 5 a.m. It's a local bar in Seward. We can all cheers.